Hey, this is Dave from Shiny Side Out with another episode of Things in My Yard. And it might be difficult to see, but in amongst those leaves are glistening little flapping wings of this year's cicada season. And just going to say there's a lot. There's a real lot of them. And it's rather deafening, and you have a ringing in your ears with the interference of each of their calls, which is so loud that all you get is interference in your ears and you've got to shout. It's only early morning and a whole bunch more have hatched, and we'll just have to see what it's going to be like today. I think they're talking about almost hitting 40 degrees Celsius, but you know, it's a prediction. We'll see as it gets there. I live on the east coast of Australia, and it's wild how many cicadas we get. But because they stay, there's two groups. Some are 5-year and some are 7-year, where the nymph stays underground, that they don't always overlap, and it gives a randomosity to the bird life, so they can't just camp here and every year they get fed at this time of year. So because they have these periods where they're not there, it really makes a big difference to the wildlife and their ability to consume them. So, look, I've zoomed in all the way, but if I zoom out all the way, that's what I was zoomed in on. And you won't be able to see it at this point, but it's something else. The birds have given up. In fact, there's no birds, there's no bird calls. You don't really see. I only saw one sulphur-crested fly over before. All the birds are full. They couldn't possibly eat any more food, and they're just having a little bit of a rest. And, well, that's cicada season in Australia for you.